Case study, process serving, Leeds, UK. Client background. A prominent legal firm based in London approached Bond Rees to serve a court order on an elusive defendant in Leeds, UK. The individual, involved in a high-value civil litigation case, had been avoiding service for months. The defendant had changed addresses multiple times and was believed to be intentionally evading the legal process to delay proceedings. The legal firm required urgent professional assistance to ensure the documents were served according to legal protocols, ensuring the case could proceed without further delays. The investigation, Bond Rees immediately took on the task, starting with a thorough background check on the defendant to uncover their most recent address and daily routine. Our Leeds-based process serving team combined local knowledge with advanced investigative techniques to track down the defendant's current location. Through public records, interviews with neighbours, and surveillance of previously known addresses, we narrowed down the defendant's whereabouts to a residential property on the outskirts of Leeds. Surveillance and timing. Given the defendant's history of evasion, our team knew that a strategic approach was crucial. We set up discreet surveillance around the property, monitoring the defendant's movements to establish patterns. It was essential to time the service when the defendant was home, ensuring there were no opportunities to avoid receiving the documents. After several days of observation, we determined the defendant's routine, including the times they were most likely to be at home. This allowed us to plan the service with precision, minimizing the chances of failure. Successful service. On the scheduled day, our process server approached the property at the optimal time and successfully served the court order to the defendant in person. Despite initial resistance, the defendant was unable to avoid receiving the documents, as our server provided proof of service that complied with all legal requirements. Photographic evidence and a detailed report were supplied to the legal firm, ensuring there was a clear trail confirming the successful service. Outcome. Thanks to Bond Rees's diligence and local expertise in Leeds, the legal firm was able to move forward with their case without further delays. The defendant, having been formally served, was compelled to respond to the court order, ensuring the legal process continued smoothly. Bond Rees's swift and professional handling of the situation prevented any further evasion tactics by the defendant. Why Bond Rees? This case demonstrated Bond Rees's ability to handle complex process serving cases involving evasive individuals. Our deep understanding of local environments, combined with expert surveillance and tactical planning, allows us to serve documents effectively even in difficult circumstances. Whether it's a straightforward service or a case requiring more strategic handling, Bond Rees ensures that legal documents are delivered with professionalism and precision, keeping legal proceedings on track.